Dimensions and weight are important for labs with limited space, or when the device needs to be moved frequently. Dimensions: width, typically 15-25 cm. Importance: fits most lab benches and cabinets. Depth, typically 25-35 cm. Importance: optimizes space utilization. Height, typically 15-25 cm. Importance: facilitates easy access and stacking. Compact design, saves valuable bench space. Importance: suitable for crowded lab environments. Weight, lightweight construction, typically 3-8 kilograms. Importance: easy to move and transport. Portability, handles or grips for convenient handling. Importance: ideal for labs that require frequent repositioning. Stability, low center of gravity for stability during operation. Importance: prevents tipping over and ensures safety. Understanding the dimensions and weight is crucial for labs with limited space, or those that require frequent movement. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding their specifications, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.